another track day weekend. So, welcome everybody to another vlog. We're going back to Carolina Motorsport Park this weekend. Annika's driving her Mustang again, which I know some of you guys have been wanting to see that on the track again. So, finally you're going to be able to. Hopefully the weather holds out for us. It looks like it might rain, but we're going to go for it anyways, see what happens. So, hopefully we at least get one good day in. Because I really want to fly the drone and get some shots of her Mustang on the track. So we got everything loaded up in the back, got some tires and whatnot. So yeah, time to hit the road. Let's go. Just arrived at CMP. They're not here now. Annika's gone. They've gone to grab dinner. She and Jerry, her instructor. So I'm gonna go and meet them at the pizza place for dinner. Ugh. I don't know what the heck Google Maps did. It took me through like the backwoods of South Carolina. But God, South Carolina, pave your roads. They're freaking awful. All right. I've arrived for dinner. Whew. That drive beat me up, dude. Driving through, it's a good thing I haven't changed my shocks yet. Oops, spoiler alert. Not really a spoiler alert, I already teased them, but yeah, that road was freaking rough. Again, South Carolina, pave your roads. So false alarm, we're not actually eating here. We're gonna go make dinner at home. But I found this stray on the side of the road, so I picked her up. Take her back with me. Alright guys, that ends day one. I thought the mic wasn't on for a second. That ends day one. We'll see you guys in the morning. Okay. You got. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a very, very foggy track day. It's Sunday. We're at CMP this weekend. I guess I said Saturday. Sunday. It's Saturday. We're at CMP. I guess I said that yesterday. So guys, I am going to try to film as much as I can today, but it is obviously foggy. I'm going to go and try to video, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get anything right now. It's way too foggy. Oh, gotta grab the camera bag and tripod and all that good stuff. Ugh. I'm gonna put the camera down. So like I said, it's way too foggy out this morning. Can't see anything. So I'm just gonna head back to the car now, and I think they're almost done anyways, but I'm gonna head back to the car now and wait for her to finish. I promise I'll do my own track day soon, guys. I need to. I'm tired of sitting on the sidelines watching. It looks like so much fun. Almost ready.
You got some great photos, right?
I got some good ones.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Oh, I was being sarcastic.
No, I mean, I got some cool ones. Fog, but... How was your first run?
Anybody got a yellow marker?
I just went for a ride with Jerry and his 2015 Eco Boost. That car right there, the orange one. It was awesome though, it was so much fun. But I'll plug in my GoPro next time and plug in my GoPro. I'll run my GoPro next time and film it for you guys. It was awesome though. Annika's about to go back out, so... And also the fog is cleared. I think that's probably the most important thing. The fog is mostly cleared. So I'm gonna fly the drone. So track day adventures, she lost her braking, which we kind of knew was going to happen.
I caught my braking before it was lost.
Yeah, we kind of knew it was going to happen, but it did happen. So now we got to go.
I told him at lunch, I said we should bleed my brakes today, and then this last session out, in 3 laps, 3 times my brake pedal dropped off while braking.
Yep.
So I decided I was going in.
Time to go bleed the brakes.
Oh, that was stuff falling in my trunk. That scared me for a second.
Okay, guys. So, update. We just spent like the last hour bleeding her brakes because, like I told you guys, right? I did. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we told him. I think
her brakes were not right, so they should be good now. But it's getting dark, and we're gonna head out. Also, her header bolts fell out, so we gotta go and get those. So that's actually the mission we're on right now. Okay, guys, we're back at the B&B for the evening, and I'm just gonna wrap it up here. It's been a fun day, but a long day. So we're both tired and we're ready for dinner. And we're gonna call it quits there for today. So we'll see you guys in the morning. I gotta go over this here.
All right, I am gonna turn the car on real quick and make sure it's not leaking.
That's a good idea. So, exhaust leak probably fixed.
Sounds good, I'm not hearing it.
Nope, it's definitely not there. That's what matters.
Success.
So her brakes are cooked. Not really, it's just they can't quite handle what she's putting them through. So we're probably done for today. But I did want to show you guys our little paddock area here and show you the cars because it's a sweet lineup. SN95 Cobra. I just went for a ride in that. It was insanely awesome. Got Jerry's 2015 EcoBoost. And then the two S197s. Got an 05 GT. And of course Annika's 2014 Mustang V6. It's a good grouping though. It's fun. Fun hanging out with other Mustang owners and racing with other Mustang owners. But like I said, we're done for the day, so time to pack up and head out. But now I'm on my way home, so this pretty much wraps up the trip. Another track day weekend coming to an end. I hope that you guys all enjoyed watching this, and we'll see you all next time. As always, take it easy.